Okay, good day everyone. Welcome to Math with Teacher Justin. On today's topic, we're going to talk about dividing monomials. Answering the question, what is the quotient of 18x raised to 5, y raised to 3, and 12x squared, y squared? Okay, so first thing that we need to do is to translate the statement into algebraic form. Now, here we have the word quotient, which means we will divide our monomial by another monomial. So in translating this, 18x raised to 5, y raised to 3 will be our dividend, and 12x squared, y squared will be our divisor. It will be translated as 18x raised to 5, y raised to 3 divided by 12x squared, y squared. We can also rewrite this into a fraction form, wherein 18x raised to 5, y raised to 3 will be our numerator, and 12x squared, y squared will be our divisor. So we have here 18x raised to 5, y raised to 3 all over 12x squared, y squared. Alright. Now, let's proceed to dividing our monomials. When dividing monomials, we will divide the coefficient by the coefficient, variables by the variables. Now, here we have 18 divided by 12. So, 18 divided by 12 cannot be, but we can simplify it. If we cannot divide, we simplify. So, here we have 18 over 12. Now, let's identify their common factor. They are both divisible by 6. So, we will divide both numerator and denominator by 6 to simplify our coefficient. So, 18 divided by 6, that will give us 3. And 12 divided by 6, that will give us 2. So, the simplified form of 18 and 12, or 18 over 12, will be 3 over 2. So, that will be our coefficient. Now, let's proceed to our variable. In simplifying our variable, we will apply the quotient rule. So, we copy the variable and then subtract the exponent. Exponent of the numerator minus the exponent of our denominator. So, let's start with the variable x. So, we have here, copy the variable x, then subtract our exponent. So, 5 minus 2. Okay? Now, let's proceed to the variable y. Same procedure. Y raised to 3 divided by y raised to 2. So, copy the variable y and then subtract the exponent. So, we have here 3 minus 2. Now, let's simplify everything. Our simplified form will be 3 over 2 times x raised to 3, y raised to 1, or just simply y. So, our final answer will be 3 over 2 times x raised to 3, y. Alright. Ta-da! And that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions for my next video, please leave them in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, you can go to my channel, Teacher Justin. And that is it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.